welcome back to another video. Today, I am playing this game called Noob Simulator. And this guy just stepped on me. Cool. Well, wait. What the freak? Oh my god, what just happened? Oh my god. What just happened? Oh. Bruh, I need to be that big. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Wait, how many noobs can I spawn in? Is this overload? I want to... Yeah, I think it's the overload. Ah! Help! Help! Oh my god. I'm gonna fill up the map! Where are all the noobs? The noobs can't spawn anymore. Where are my 10,000 noobs? Where are they? I'm moving. They're pushing me along the map. Oh, they're stepping. Run! Run! What's that on the ground? I don't know. What is about to get crushed? Ow! Ow! What's happening? Oh, I'm getting pushed around. These noobs are crazy. Wait, no, I'm trapped. Where am I supposed to go? Run. Okay, I need to search up this. I need that. Bye-bye, losers. No, the noobs are following me. It's not enough. I'm gonna set my speed. Vroom, vroom, vroom. They will never catch me now. No, the noobs are following me. My game is so laggy. Ah, the noobs. Oh my god, there's so much white everywhere. Bruh. Wait, I have a question. I need to know. What will happen if you have like a million speed? Then go on this. Where am I? I don't really know where I even am. I am in outer space. I am in literally outer space. Oh my god, I just died. No! What just happened? I don't know what just happened, but I just got flung across the map, and now I flung out of the map again. Bro, I gotta set my walk speed down. It's too much. It's way too much to handle. Now that it's down, what just happened? What's happening? What's happening? Run! I need to run. Whee! I need to run. These noobs are chasing me. They're like homing missiles. Run. Oh my god. Bro, here's the ultimate thing I need to turn on. Other people's noobs. Bro, there's crazy stuff happening everywhere. Bro, my game's lagging so much. Oh my god. Bro. My game's going not that good. Do you see it's freezing like every once in a while? Bro, oh my god. What's happening? Ow! I'm going to space. Bro, these noobs are crazy. These dodes. Chill, bruh. Chill. Chill, bruh. I can't have this many noobs. I gotta erase some. No, they're still here, even though I have 0 noobs. Erase. Yes. Erase. What's that? Do you see that dude? He's tiny. I can crush him with my finger. My finger. like a little bug. I can step on him with ease. Look how fast I am. This map is so big. Wait. What if I have a million mini noobs? What if I have a million mini noobs? They surely won't like my game that much. They're only mini. Bro, it's so hard to control. You see that? Oh my god. Bro, we're going everywhere. What's happening? Bro, what's happening? There's literally mini noobs. Oh my god. There's mini noobs getting flung everywhere. In every direction. Literally in every direction, these mini noobs are getting thrown. So am I getting thrown in every direction. Bruh. This is crazy. Was it a good idea to play this? Maybe not. It's like little pellets that come out of a gun. Just they bounce. They're literally getting flung everywhere. I spawned in like 1, 2, 3, 4. You get it now. I spawned in like a trillion noobs. And I don't see a trillion noobs. This is like a chalk. What you write with like it's just like one of the really like it's like thin and it's like long. Like the white stuff is like a long white one. Bro, what happened? I was literally walking and I didn't jump. If I did, I really don't know what to say because I didn't. Now, here's the test. I need to try. One more time. It's really hard to control. Bro, I'm not even... If you look at my thing, I'm not even running. Now I am though, because I need to get to a place. Bro, what about my noobs? No, the noob! He's there! We gotta run! No, where am I going? Now. There's only one way I can get rid of the noob. Well, there's a lot of ways I can get rid of the noob, but my game's still lagging. Okay. Wait a second. How fast can I go? Okay, let's try. I'll stop when it's good. That's good. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Bro, what's happening? I don't know what's happening. Bro, I just keep on dying somehow. What? How do I keep on dying? Bruh? This doesn't make any sense. What? This does not make sense. Okay, I'm better now. But that's 12 speed. 10? I was walking at like 3. I was walking at like 3 speed. Bruh. I'm walking at 3 miles per hour. No, it doesn't work. Wait. Ten. Do we not do it that fast? I thought it would be faster. It's barely fast. Oh, I can't control my eye. I can't control it. I'm not even touching a single button. Okay, now I am. Come on. Oh. No. Ah. Oh, okay. Oh, ram. Yeah, okay. One last thing I have to do. That is to go on this ramp. No. That's my ultimate goal. Oh well, I guess I'll never make it back to planet Earth. Bye.